Here we've got another great holly for you that we want you to know. And it really is a group of hollies that we want to talk about, the Koehne hollies. Ilex X, Koehneana, the Koehne hollies. And there's a variety of different cultivars within this group. And if you learn about the Foster holly, that's a hybrid holly, and there's a group and a lot of different Foster hollies. And so I want you to be familiar with this group of hollies. Not all, but several of them have very distinct serrations on the leaves. All of these hybrid hollies have great fruiting potential in the landscape. And this one that I'm standing in front of is no different. Just loads of fruit up and down this plant. A holly fruit typically about the size of an English pea, alternately arranged on the stem, which I think is something that's important that you need to know when it comes to learning. Just the genus Ilex in general, you need to know that they're all alternately arranged. But a great evergreen, broadleaf evergreen holly for the home landscape that gets a great big stature and really doesn't disappoint when it comes to fruit in the late fall to early winter time. So here we have Ilex X Koehneana, commonly referred to as the Koehne holly. Now this holly is a hybrid. It's a cross between Ilex aquifolium and Ilex latifolia. Really erect, narrow, pyramidal plant, densely branched, hybrid evergreen, broadleaf evergreen shrub. Maybe you could consider this a small tree because it does get up 25 foot high, spreading out 25 foot wide in a lot of cases. Maybe a little bit taller than it is wide. You'll see, I think a lot of these are listed as being smaller than they actually are in the landscape. Branches really clad with glossy, spiny margins on beautiful dark green foliage. Here's a landscape tip. Known for its heavy fruit set, effective as a specimen or in small groups, use potentially as a tall screen.